Enhancing the longevity of games. Gaming mods can significantly extend the lifespan of a game, which has a direct economic impact on the industry. By adding new content, features, and even mechanics, mods can keep players engaged long after a game's initial release. This prolonged player interest often results in continued sales, as well as additional revenue from microtransactions, season passes, or remastered editions inspired by the modding community's innovations. Creating new revenue streams. Some developers and publishers have embraced modding by creating platforms where mods are sold or monetized, such as Steam's Workshop. These platforms allow modders to earn revenue from their creations, while companies like Valve benefit from transaction fees. This model has opened up new income streams for both indie modders and larger developers, benefiting the overall economic ecosystem of gaming. Boosting game sales through word of mouth. Mods often generate strong word-of-mouth promotion, helping to increase sales. A modded version of a game can attract new players who are interested in the expanded content or different gameplay mechanics. For example, mods that introduce new storylines, characters, or genres can pique the curiosity of players who may have otherwise missed the game, thereby boosting sales through the modding community's influence. Encouraging community engagement and loyalty. The modding community fosters deep engagement with a game, leading to higher player retention and loyalty. Gamers who invest time in mods are often more likely to remain connected to the game, share it with others, and participate in official expansions or updates. This increased loyalty can have significant long-term economic benefits, as dedicated players are more likely to buy additional content, upgrades, or sequels. Creating opportunities for paid content and DLC. Many gaming mods introduce content that inspires developers to release official downloadable content, DLC, or paid expansions. For instance, mods that successfully add new gameplay features or lore may prompt game developers to release official versions of those mods as part of paid DLC. This can result in a mutually beneficial relationship where mods help to shape the future of a game and provide new opportunities for revenue generation. Encouraging innovation and new game ideas. Modding has sparked innovation within the gaming industry by allowing modders to experiment with new ideas and game mechanics. Successful mods have often inspired new genres or game trends, which can influence the direction of commercial game development. This creativity can lead to new titles that generate revenue and help the gaming industry evolve, benefiting both indie developers and larger studios. Impacting the esports and streaming industries. Mods have had a noticeable impact on the esports and streaming industries, which generate significant economic value. For example, mods that introduce new competitive elements or custom game modes can influence the growth of esports tournaments and streaming content. The rise of Minecraft or Fortnite mods has fueled content creation, streaming, and tournament growth, all of which contribute to the wider economic ecosystem of gaming. Supporting indie game development. For indie developers, modding communities can be an invaluable asset. Mods can create buzz around a smaller, lesser-known game, increasing its visibility and leading to more sales. In many cases, indie developers have built successful games by incorporating modding support, turning their titles into platforms for creativity and community-driven growth. This symbiotic relationship between indie games and mods can result in increased revenue and industry recognition. Lowering development costs. Modding allows game developers to lower their development costs by outsourcing certain aspects of content creation to the community. Rather than spending significant resources on creating new content, developers can rely on mods to generate new assets, such as textures, maps, or gameplay features. This allows companies to focus on core development while benefiting from the creative input of modders without directly incurring extra costs. Building a sustainable gaming ecosystem. Ultimately, modding supports the creation of a more sustainable gaming ecosystem by encouraging player involvement, creativity, and collaboration. As mods extend the life and relevance of a game, they contribute to a more vibrant, diverse, and engaged player base, which has long-term economic benefits. By enabling gamers to actively shape and participate in the gaming world, mods help to create a dynamic marketplace that benefits everyone involved in the industry.